Better say.
Amen.
Now 31st, how's the record?
Oh, we're having our normal service now, 31st watch night service. But I'm at 31st, main count wash and come 31st watch night now, but Ghana and main count. Because me wound there maybe celebrate be or tiny baby 1 by 31st. Then I'm young back and no answer me. I don't know what time I said, made me uncle some, because that's the reason they keep. One better will be tier by musician beer, no long find I mean, if I've come for the first watch night, you are coming because you want to hear the word of the Lord, you want to hear about Jesus, you are trusting God. If there is a prophetic word for you, for your business, for your family in the coming year, it will be declared. But not about the no basic Ghana. I mean, I'm not.
Okay.
I used to do that years ago, but I'm not part of that again.
AJ.
And because na mentase there, ngofo obotu kon wa be chapel day. Then I mean can be informed. Na obe ya America safa obi won wa ba chapel musician bia e be ka che no bubofu kura on America. So I told God I'm panicho on bomb na mentumi nhyɛ nkɔmfa na wo ba chapel no.
Okay.
Most of them will be blessed.
Nice one.
But in the nyimbiri,
Kindly watch the full video from my YouTube channel, BluntGhana. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment over there as well. Thank you.